This is your 28storms.com weather update for Tuesday, November 1st. If we take just a brief look at the current satellite picture, we see that much of the deep tropical Atlantic basin, including the eastern Pacific, are relatively quiet. The same can be said if we turn to the latest enhanced infrared. We do see some isolated showers and thunderstorms, but nothing is well organized, and the water vapor shows a rather hostile pattern with a lot of wind shear and dry air. Looking ahead over the next 6 days, the 12Z Canadian CMC model is not showing much in the way of any tropical development. And this is the Day 7 forecast from the GFS, and all we really see is a stalled out frontal boundary dangling across the western Atlantic and into the central Gulf of Mexico, with no sign of any organized tropical disturbances. And finally, the European is also showing a fairly tranquil pattern out there in the tropics. Although one interesting feature as we go into 24 and 48 hours is this area of low pressure that has been fairly persistent in the models. It still shows a low pressure over southeast Missouri by Thursday morning, so that will give that area the next chance of rainfall. And then as we advance this into 96 and 120 hours, this is the next system moving into the Midwest, and we more than likely will see some wintry precipitation on the backside of this system, while much of the tropics down south are quiet. However, the main weather story as we go into the latter part of this evening and during the overnight hours will be this mid-level disturbance currently passing over much of the Rockies, and in fact this is where we have blizzard warnings in effect for some local areas just to the east of Denver, Colorado, where they are anticipating at least 5 to 8 inches. So thanks for tuning in on this Tuesday afternoon. We will have another tropical weather video by tomorrow afternoon.